Hey guys, in this video I'm going to go over the step-by-step process for signing up and getting ready for the next 12-week challenge. That and more coming up next. Before we get into the nitty-gritty of the 12-week challenge, please feel free to subscribe at any time to our YouTube channel and help expand our amazing community. We will keep true to our mission to help you get moving, get you sweaty, get you feeling great, and doing it all over again. Okay, so you've made the big move to join us for the 2018 WLG Fall Challenge. Awesome. Thank you so much for jumping in, and we can't wait to help you through this journey and help you defluff from your amazing summer. Buckle up because you're in store for an amazing experience. Step 1. If you haven't already, go to workoutlikeagirl.com and get familiar with your challenge options. Step 2. Next, pick your challenge package. We have 4 to pick from: Base, Training, Ultimate, and Platinum. All specific packages details are located on our website at workoutlikeagirl.com. Step 3. Once you're registered, please request to join our private Facebook group at WLG 2018 12-Week Fall Challenge. Step 4. Once there, there's a link provided to create your Fit Client profile. This is the hub of all your biometric information that is taken during your weigh-in time. Step 5. Get your weigh-in time. Step 6. Hit Amazon or your local store to stock up on a few essentials: meal prep containers, calendars, food scales, etc. Anything that will help you along your journey. And finally, Step 7. Relax and mentally prepare yourself for some fitness and body composition goals that you will want to achieve during your 12 weeks with WLG. Thank you so much for checking out this video. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos just like this. And if you want to find out more about the 2018 Fall Challenge, go to workoutlikeagirl.com. And I love all your faces. And until next time, don't forget to get moving, get sweaty, feel great, and repeat. Challenge package. We have packages to relax and mentally prepare yourself for some physical